Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a wedding seating chart effortless using the tools of Wedding Planning Assistant. Let's get started. The first, type in your browser the URL planning.wedding. From the landing page, click Create a new wedding project. I'm planner. So, when the wedding project created, you can share the link on this wedding project with the bride and groom or anybody. They can participate in collaborative planning and add the guests. Since I have a guest list in my CSV file, I will import it. Next step, complete merging. Here we go. The wedding party is 62, but guest is just 60. It's because bride and groom not included to the guest count. Let's set the bride name Anna and groom Tom. So, since we have a guest list and seems everyone here, we can create a floor plan of reception layout. Click on the left panel reception layout and then edit. From here you can customize your floor plan. You can rotate the tables, change the size of the tables. You can hide some seats from the table, for example like this, decrease the size, and then you can choose who will sit here, Anna and Tom. Okay, they're seated. Then you can customize other tables. You can change the space between chairs and also take a seat of the guests. Here we go. If you need to add more tables, you can click the plus button and choose the shape of the table and just customize this table. I will remove it. The same way you can customize the dance area or stage. When all guests will seated, then you can see the result in the preview, and you can download the floor plan. Just scroll down on the page, you will see the generate PDF file button. Click here and this downloaded. Let's see how it looks. Yep, this is PDF file that is printable. You can print it and use it on your wedding. The next cool features here is the table cards. Based on the reception layout, the system generates the table cards with the numbers or name of the tables, and you can customize the shape of these cards and also generate a new PDF file with all table cards here. And also, the next cool feature is the name cards. Name cards generated based on the reception layout, and you can choose the shape of the cards and then generate one more PDF file, and this file contains the place cards that you can cut and use. So, in a guest list, you can also generate and download the file with the guests, and in this list you can see who and where sit on the layout. For example, it's table 3, the seat number 1, table 3, the seat number 2. Looks pretty easy. Thank you for watching this, and goodbye.